At number 3, we have the Greenworks 27032. The Greenworks 27032 Lawn Edger stands out for its robust 12-amp motor, which delivers ample power for cutting through overgrown grass and creating clean edges along driveways and flower beds. This electric edger is environmentally friendly, emitting no fumes and operating quietly compared to gas models. It features a 7.5-inch double-edged blade that provides precision and longevity, enhancing the tool's overall durability. The design includes an adjustable handle, which adds to the ease of use by allowing customization to the user's height and comfort preferences. Additionally, the built-in cord lock is a thoughtful safety feature that prevents the cord from disconnecting during use. The tool's lightweight design, combined with its wheels, makes it easy to maneuver around different landscaping features. Overall, the Greenworks 27032 is a reliable and user-friendly tool, ideal for maintaining neat lawn edges.